Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you Bitdefender VPN full review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you've been looking for a fast, budget-friendly VPN, well, Bitdefender here, or Bitdefender VPN, is a surprising option that usually falls under the flies under the radar, or most people's radar actually. So most people know them for their heavy-duty antivirus software, and for a long time here, their VPN was just a basic afterthought. But they have seriously beefed up recently, expanding their global footprint to over 3,000 servers across more than 100 different locations. Now, in this case, the biggest selling point here is the sheer speed. Now, Bitdefender uses a what we call hotspot shields Hydra's protocol alongside standard WireGuard. Now, making it incredibly fast, and in real-world tests, it barely touches your baseline internet speed. Now, making it an absolute beast for lag-free gaming and smooth 4K streaming here. Now, they also fixed their biggest historical flaw and now easily unblock major streaming sites like Netflix or unblock those sites here like Netflix and Disney Plus and Hulu without a single hiccup. Now, it packs all the daily essentials too, like a skill switch here, split tunneling, and double hop features that forces your data through two separate servers. Now, standalone here, it is a total bargain at around like $3 a month, so if you're going to check it. However, there are a few things that you may want to know here before actually getting it. Now, their first is their free version is completely useless because it actually caps you at a tiny 200 megabytes of data per day. Second, device support is pretty limited here. There are no browser extensions or smart TV apps, so you are restricted to standard laptops and phones. And lastly, while they claim a strict no logs policy, their infrastructure is actually shared with a third-party tech company, and their privacy audits aren't as fully transparent as competitors like Proton. Now, ultimately here, if you are a hardcore privacy purist, you will want to skip it. But if you just want a blazing fast, cheap tool for streaming and basic encryption here, and you're already in the Bitdefender ecosystem, well, in this case, it's going to be definitely worth the use or worth the price for it. But that's about it. It's a fun video. Hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.